and not least, contestant number 3, Miss Mariel Celis. Mari, good evening, how are you?
Good evening, I'm fine. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, so are you ready for a question?
Yes.
Okay, so kindly select your question, contestant number 3. Okay, so contestant number 3, here is your question. What is your favorite legal maxim, and how will you relate it to your life as a law student?
Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. My favorite legal maxim is nihil tremendo est, meaning to say, fear nothing. Why? Because as a journalist and as a law student in the afternoon at night, I felt like even though people sidetrack you, you've been doing a lot of lesson plan, and in the evening, you'll be having a receipt. And then in diagnostic cases, you still stand tall. And not even you even cheer up other law students. The reason why we are all here together. Nihil tremendo est. Fear nothing, you will see law students.
Thank you so much, contestant number 3, Mariel Celis. And of course, to all of our contestants, I believe just got over Donna Dolores Convention Hall 1. Okay, and I'm pretty sure our judges are having a hard time. Sino ba ang magiging Miss Law Night